Hello guys! Today, I'm going to be showing a clip of Sonic, Tails, Amy, and Shadow flying on the tornado. Well, I'll explain. Anyways, this is just a short showcase made by Sonicraft, and if you want to download it, the link will be in the description. Anyways, take a look at this baby. Oh! Okay, let me retry that, because I did not expect that. Alright. So, basically, if you guys are wondering how I stuck Sonic on here, you just put Sonic's feet like this. Then use these ropes and attach each foot to the metal platform. And then you'll be good. Now, if you're wondering how I did it for and then for Tails and Amy, it's just pretty easy. You just put them in here. Anyways, now for Shadow. In order to do that, make sure you get Shadowcraft, and then what you want to do is put Shadow's hand right here, and then use the same rope like you did for Sonic and attach his hand to the tornado. And there we go. I wish I could do the same for other characters, but it won't fit enough on the plane, since if I just keep grabbing them there. Anyways, let's start this baby up in a 3. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let me just save this just for fun. Alright, now let's do it. Alright, ready guys? In 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, Sonic already died. But let's see who will last the longest. Whoa. This is just crazy. Oh no. Shadow, you better hang on, buddy. Shadow, you better hang on. Shadow, you better hang on. Shadow, you better hang on. Come on, bro. Man, they're flying to space! Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright, I want to see I want to see how Shadow goes flying when I make him let go of it. I want to see what happens. Whoa! So Shadow just falls. Whoa. Okay. I was not expecting that. But the tornado just went flying. So it looks like Tails and Amy survived last. So, that means...
When I say I dress good, this is what I mean.
I'm a little too into you. Got my head over my shoes, but I like it.
Okay, not always, but most of the time.
Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, as I was saying,